Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use the Google Calendar. So from the right hand side grid, click on Google Calendar. Here you are presented with the Google Calendar layout. You can have a 2-week layout, 1-day layout, 7-day layout, or a 5-day layout. It all depends on your preference. To schedule a calendar invite, click on a cell, name your meeting. You can change the day of your meeting and the time. You can change the duration of your meeting. You can click on the all day option if you want it to be at the top of your calendar. You can click on if you want it to repeat, if it's daily, weekly, monthly, or annually. You can add guests. And you can also set the permissions of those guests. You can allow guests to modify the event, to invite other people, and to see the guest list. You can add the location of your meeting. And you can add a quick note or a description. You can add any attachments, and you can also color code your meeting. And you can set whether you're free or busy at that particular time. You can set your settings to private, public, or default. You can also set up a notification for the same day, the day before, 2 days before, a week before, or custom settings. We'll schedule ours in for 1 hour. You may have other options to join. If you are synced up to Microsoft Teams, you will see that option here. If you go to the More Options tab, and if you have access to the other person's calendar, you'll be able to find a new time. Once you've checked all of your settings, you can click Save and the invite will be sent to your participant. And that's it. You're all set. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.